Okay, guys, so we have been talking about matter, and we're going to do an experiment on the stages of matter. But first, I want LeBron to give us a recap on exactly what matter is.
Matter is everything that takes up space and has mass.
Thank you very much. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. So, Rashawn, what are the three stages of matter?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Thank you very much. So our experiment on the stages of matter, which we just learned, are solid, liquid, and gases. We're going to use water to test that out. We're going to start with water as a solid. What is water as a solid?
It is
ice.
That is right. So we're putting some solid pieces of ice into a pot. Solid pieces of ice. I'm going to do it because it's dangerous. So we just put solid pieces of ice into a pot, and just so you know, make sure that there is a parent around. Children, please do not do this by yourselves. So we took a solid, which is ice. We put it into a pot, and it is starting to melt. So it's starting to change from the state of a solid to the state of what?
A
Water.
liquid.
which is
A liquid, which is,
water.
Rashawn said it's turning into a,
Liquid.
which is,
Water.
okay. The only thing about this is, how is it changing states? How does something change states? Rashawn, go ahead.
By the temperature.
Okay. And so, what are we doing to this solid ice to make it a liquid?
We're melting it with the fire, which is heating it up and making it melt.
Very good. So we are changing it from a solid into a liquid, and it's almost completely a liquid. So this is a different state. At first it was a solid, now it's a liquid. We also want to change it into another stage, the last stage, which is what?
Gas.
Gas.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to increase the heat. As we're increasing the heat, I want to still ask you some questions. So we can change it by the temperature. We're changing it by making it hotter. But you can also change it by doing what?
Making
Cooling
it colder.
Colder.
Down.
Cooling it down. That's what it was when it was frozen. It was cold and it froze. It got really cold. Was it so cold that it was absolute zero?
No. It can never reach absolute zero.
Thank you very much, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. But right now, we're just increasing the heat on what is a liquid, which is water. And we're gonna look closely and see if we can see gases, or what would that be, Rashawn?
Water vapor.
Thank you very much. So let's see if we can see some water vapors.
My mom sees bubbles popping up and down.
You see bubbles? You see
It's water vapor.
vapors.
No, we don't see vapors yet.
Be careful, guys. Stand back.
It looks like
It's dangerous.
Yeah,
I see a little bit. It's
I
bubbling.
see some now.
LeBron said he sees some. I can't see any with the camera yet, so let's just hang out here and see if we can see some vapors. And that would be water turning into a different stage, which is gas. Let's see. I can see some off camera, but we want to get some vapors on camera. There we go. I just saw some. I just saw some more. Those are water vapor.
Looks like smoke. But it's not.
Thank you guys for your help.